Cleansing gel with salicylic acid.
Cleansing gel with salicylic acid comes in a 16-ounce professional size, a 6.7-ounce retail, 2-ounce petite, and 0.1 fluid ounce sample size.
This cleanser is going to be great for somebody who is extremely oily, someone who is acne prone, anyone who has body acne. As we know, acne is not limited to just the face. This is going to be a really great exfoliating cleanser, chemical exfoliant. It's also going to be antibacterial. What are some of the key ingredients that we're using in this product to provide these benefits?
So we're using a 2% salicylic acid in here that's going to be extremely beneficial for exfoliating, but also it's oil loving. And then we also have a panthenol B5, which is soothing and regenerating to the skin. Now, because this is an oil loving product, we want to make sure that we direct our clients that this is not a daily cleanser. This is something that they want to incorporate into their skincare regimen 2 to maybe 3 times a week.
Yes, so as Dee mentioned, that 2% salicylic acid that we have in here, it is an unbuffered salicylic acid. So for those clients who are using it that 2 to 3 times a week, for whatever reason, if that client does start to experience any kind of dryness or flaking, we can always cut back on the amount of times that we're using it throughout the week, or we could also incorporate some lipid replacing cleansing gel to cut some of that activity that we have in there. A few pro tips for this cleanser. So great for face, great for someone who maybe tends to sweat a little bit more, great for someone who goes to the gym on a regular basis as a body wash to really help exfoliate. Get in those higher keratinized areas, elbows, knees, ingrown hair areas like the bikini line, bikini area. And did you know that we can actually use this as a foot wash?
That is actually an awesome pro tip.
Yes, we don't want to have those stinky, smelly feet, so we can actually use this as a foot wash because salicylic acid is going to help kill bacteria.
That's right.
And when you are selling this to your client, is there anything in specific that you tell them, any keywords that you use with this cleanser?
I want them to know that it's going to be a booster to their current skincare regimen as far as absorbing excess oil, providing antibacterial properties, decongesting the skin, and killing that C. acne bacteria in order to help to reduce their acne breakouts.
And a few mixology things that we can throw in when we're doing our acne protocols, we can incorporate our cleansing gel with salicylic, mixing it in with some green tea mask to really provide that detoxifying, clarifying cleanser. And then we do want to avoid using this product on someone who does have an allergy, aspirin. Can you explain to us why we avoid salicylic?
We avoid salicylic because it is contraindicated for those who have an aspirin allergy. So when you're doing your thorough intake form, you just want to take note of what those particular allergies are for those clients. When you're making that recommendation, if this isn't the best fit, we definitely have other options that you can provide to your clients.